In this video, I am going to show you how to replace your Blackview A60 screen. This is a guide to show you how to replace the screen like I did in this video. So this is the new screen here, this is the old one. Let's get into it.
I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I speak.
You take the back cover off. After doing so, you remove all the screws. Did that, then you will take off the back cover here. You can start by one of the corner, then you gently remove the back cover from the phone. Now the back cover is removed, you want to unplug your battery connection area. Then you will notice the ribbon for the screen, which is this ribbon here. So guys, we just removed the battery, and I want you to look at the area where the adhesive are. You can see that it is by the side, so you need to use a plastic tool. I actually use this ruler to take it out. I also have this metal tool, but you don't want to punch the battery in any way. And also I do have another plastic tool that I normally use as well. So this is the ribbon for the screen, in which we are going to unplug this cable, and then we are going to raise this up. So this is how you do it, and we are going to take the screen off. I normally heat around the edges to get the adhesive out. So you want to remove the screen, just gently heat around the edges, and then you use a plastic tool and you remove the screen successfully. Guys, I heat around the edges and I get an area open up. So I am just going to take the screen apart. This is actually a guide that I am doing. I am actually holding my phone and doing this video. So this should help you along the way, right? So you take the screen out. So guys, as you can see, I just removed the screen. And what we're going to do, we're going to clean around the edges, remove the old adhesive from around the edges. Then we are going to put in the new screen. Most of the time, screens normally comes with adhesive. We can use adhesive glue on the screen around the edges. So this is the new screen here, guys. We are going to use adhesive around the edges. I'm going to use this one, B7000, and we are going to install the new screen. So what I am going to do, I finished clean around the edges. I am going to do a test. I am going to connect the screen and also the battery to ensure that the screen is fully functional before I actually stick the screen. To do a test, I am going to connect the battery. What we need to do is just need to power on the phone. So let me go ahead, power on the phone, and the screen is showing. And the screen is not stick or anything, but just doing a quick test, right? We just want to get proper touch and everything from the phone, and then we are good to go. The phone is touching and everything, so we are good. All you have to do here is to stick the screen, connect the screen, put in the battery, put back on the cover, and then you put back in the screws. You put back the back cover and you're good to go. So guys, I hope that this was helpful and it was a useful guide. I'm out. Do like, share and subscribe, guys. I'm out.